How to change the drill bit on your Makita cordless drill. Now, what I always recommend is putting the drill down on a flat surface like this with the Makita sign facing you. On the other side should be an information label. With the drill like this, grab this section here with your left hand, and then what you want to do is twist away from you, so away like that, and that should untighten the chuck. Then allow you to take out any bit what is attached. Then you get your new bit, put it in, start to tighten it up by twisting towards you. It will then hit resistance. You then want to grab the chuck and give it one final tighten so your bit doesn't slip. And there you go. That's how easy it is to change the bit on your Makita cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, help me out by smashing a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.